हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे साइंस एंड आवर लाइफ इंग्लिश ऐसी। दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ अब जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। सिंस इट्स इंट्रोडक्शन, साइंस हैज़ डेवलप्ड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग एसोसिएशन विद ह्यूमैनिटी। It seems pertinent to say that man and science are now old mates. Both have shared pain and pleasure and construction and destruction. Science has helped man to achieve towering successes and face terrible failures. War and peace are the perfect instances in this regard. At one time, science seems a sweet companion, and the next moment it turns into a dragon. Man has benefited greatly from the use of science in every walk of life, as well as suffered unimaginable losses. Science has been proven both a blessing and a curse. The tale and history of man and science relationship is quite fascinating and worth mentioning. It is simply a tale of wonders and blunders. In brief, the bond is still on as science and man have developed an inseparable relation. Science is a blessing of mankind. Its positive side, that is the service of mankind, makes it bright and beautiful. When we look at science as a blessing, we find that science has made the world a wonderland. Science has showered uncountable blessings on man. Science plays a dominant role in human social life. It has turned a signaling super animal into an organized man. Means of communication and transportation have brought ease and comfort human life. The development in these fields have enabled man to completely conquer time and space. Man has reached the unreachable. This world has become a global village. Science has proven that it is healthful to eat many kinds of foods. Our eating habits changed because of science. We enjoy variety of foods. Preservation methods have also been improved to a great extent. तो दोस्तों, ये था ऐसे। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। थैंक यू।